Check out this 2011 Hyundai Sonata. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an alarm system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.